Most people still think you need to pay to use Google Veo 3.1. You don't. Google is officially giving it away for free in 2 different places. One method is hidden inside a Google tool almost nobody talks about. The second method is even more surprising. After testing both,
I've been waiting to show you this place.
one clearly stood out. Let's start with method 1. Open your browser and search for Opal by Google. Open the first result. Click Try Opal now. Surprisingly, most people don't know this Google tool exists. Sign in with your Google account, and you don't have to keep switching between multiple Google accounts to keep creating videos. Once you're signed in, click Create New. Then, click Generate. On the right side, open the Agent menu and choose Veo. Before generating anything, open Advanced Settings and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Now, paste your prompt. We'll start with a text-to-video example. Click Preview. Then click Start. The generation usually takes around a minute. While that's processing, here's something most people don't realize. A lot of people assume you can only generate 1 or 2 videos before hitting a limit. So let's see what actually happens. And our first video is now ready. Let's take a look. The quality is exactly what you'd expect from Veo 3.1. If you want to download it, simply click the 3 dots and choose Download. But one successful generation isn't enough. Let's create another video. Click on Step. Use a completely different prompt. Click Preview. You'll see your previous generation is still there. Just click Refresh, then click Start. And here's our second generation. So far, we've tested text to video. Now let's see if image to video works just as well. Then we'll move on to the second method, which takes a completely different approach. Click User Input. A new box will appear. Move it up a bit. Then, connect it to the Generate block. Now click the User Input block. Open Advanced Settings. Under Input Type, select Image. Now click the Generate block and replace the old prompt with an Image to Animation prompt. On the top, click Preview. If the connection was broken, reconnect the nodes. Then, click on Start. The image upload section will appear. Click on plus and upload your image. Then, click this Generate button. And after about a minute, here's the result.
Welcome to the Hidden Valley. I've been waiting to show you this place.
So that's the first official method. But Google gives free access to Veo 3.1 in another place as well. Let's take a look. This next method is probably already installed on your phone. Open YouTube, tap the plus button, then choose Shorts. Now hit this icon. Most people think this only creates vertical Shorts videos. But what if you want landscape videos instead? Let's test it. I will simply enter a woman exploring a jungle. Then generate your first video.
Wow, look at that.
Now, here's the interesting part. I'll generate another one, but this time I'll add one simple instruction to the prompt. Rotate the entire scene 90 degrees clockwise. Generate again.
Welcome to the lost city of Athel. This place is absolutely unreal. Even the plants are made of pure magic.
At first, the result looks a little strange, but watch what happens. I'll import it into my editor, rotate the clip back, and now it's a landscape video instead.
Welcome to the lost city of Athel.
So, if you need a quick landscape clip, this is a surprisingly simple workaround.
Subscribe for more mythic adventures.
Watch this next if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.